Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to create multiple users on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and open system option, and right here as you can see we have multiple users option. Now firstly we have to allow multiple users by clicking on this button right here, and as you can see we can add a user and add a guest. We're gonna add a new user. Here we can set profile picture for our new user, and we can set from this or just from our gallery. I'm gonna choose this one. Here we can set nickname for our user. So I'm gonna name our user Jacob. And that is our new user. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!